E nā hoa o ka pūnana, waipuna lau ke aloha. Mahalo keia hui hou ana o kākou. I keia ka pule e lima o ka mālama ana I ka Haʻawina o ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. Ano leila o nā pahu hopu o keia la. Our goals or actually not a keia la, ka keia Haʻawina, yeah. The goals of this Haʻawina, the objectives of this Haʻawina, is one, to ʻaʻo I ka Pepeke ʻAike he. Okay, so we're going to learn a new sentence pattern. O ka lua, oia ka hoʻokamaaina hou I nā memeʻa, nā papani, a me nā iʻoa. So we're going to kind of take a look again at memeʻa, papani, and iʻoa, and using those to practice the Pepeke ʻAike he. O ke kolu, ka hoʻopaʻa I nā hua ʻōlelo ʻohana. Yeah, so we're going to use our hua ʻōlelo ʻohana for one more week, or one more Haʻawina. And we want, after this Haʻawina, for it to be pretty paʻa. Yeah, for us to be pretty comfortable with them. Okay, no leila, hoʻomaka kākou. Okay, Pepeke ʻAike he. Yeah, this sentence pattern functions as a means to explain, express, communicate that someone or something is a, is an, is or are something. Someone is a something, someone isn't something, and someone are a something. Yeah, those types of manao. So something like Kahiwa is a father. Yeah, the idea we're expressing that Kahiwa, someone, something, is a something, father. Yeah, or that the lady is a daughter. Same manao, right? Or that you are an uncle. Okay, all of those things expressing that someone or something is a, an, are something. What it does not do is it does not express the idea or ideas like this idea, that being you are my uncle. Yeah, because that would mean that you and my uncle are the same thing, same person, and that's what we've gone over the past few Haʻawina, right? That would be o'oi ko'u anakala, right? But this is a Pepeke ʻAike he. Yeah, so our previous sentence always started with an o as a Pepeke ʻAike o. Now we're working with a Pepeke ʻAike he, and so our sentences will be marked with a he. And we'll see that in the upcoming slide. Yeah, but we are not expressing ideas that, you know, are my, your, her, uncle, auntie, the daughter, right? His daughter, that daughter. It's is a, is an, and are. Yeah, those are the words we're working with in the Pepeke ʻAike e, or the ideas that we're expressing. Okay, no leila. Kawika is a father. Yeah, Kawika is a father. So you're gonna see, like I just mentioned, that our Hawaiian sentence is marked with a he. Okay, and so we have he makuakane o Kahiwa. Yeah, Kahiwa is a father. He makuakane o Kahiwa. Okay, so our is a father, in a sense, yeah, that idea is wrapped up in he makuakane. Okay, and then, right, who or what is a makuakane o Kahiwa. Okay, another example that we saw was the lady is a daughter. Okay, the lady is a daughter. So he kaikomahine kawahine. Yeah, he kaikomahine kawahine. Right, that is a daughter is wrapped up in he kaikomahine. He kaikomahine kawahine. then the other one we saw was you are an uncle. He ana kala ʻoe. Hanaho. Okay, and the other one that we saw was you are an uncle. Yeah. So we have an uncle, it's one mana'o, and you. Yeah. Are an uncle, you. Yeah, maka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi, in a sense. He ana kala ʻoe. Yeah, he ana kala ʻoe. Okay, and so, as we mentioned in our goals and our objectives today, we have 3 examples here, and all of these sentences are using different types of words, right? And so we have iʻoa, yeah, which are our names, right? Like Kahiwa, and our iʻoa are preceded by this okina o. Yeah, so we have he makuakane o Kahiwa, right? Not just Kahiwa, but o Kahiwa. And then in our second sentence, right, we have kawahine. Kawahine. So we're working with memeʻa, right? Wahine as a memeʻa. And we talked about memeʻa can be kikino, painu, a'ano, right? And that for now we're only been working with kikino, which are nouns. Yeah? But these memeʻa are preceded by ka'i. And the ka'i that we've talked about so far are ko'u, kou, kona, ka'u, kau, kana, and ka and ke. Yeah, those are the ka'i that we've gone over so far, right? And they go before a memeʻa word, like kawahine or wahine, right? And then we have kawahine. Okay, ʻŌlelo, the last one, he ana kala ʻoe. Yeah, ʻoe is a papani, right? A pronoun. And we've learned 3 of those so far, right? We've learned ʻoe, o, and ia, or oia, because that ia among papani gets special treatment and is treated like an iʻoa. Yeah, so it gets that okina o in front of it. So that ia we a lot of times see as oia. Okay, so e hoʻomaʻamaʻa kākou. Yeah, let's go ahead and practice the Pepeke ʻAike he sentence pattern. First with iʻoa, then with memeʻa, a laila me nā papani. Okay, so Keawe is a grandfather. Yeah, and again our Hawaiian sentence is going to be marked with he. So really what we're turning this into is he grandfather o Keawe. Yeah, he grandfather o Keawe. And so we fill in that vocab word, he kupunakane o Keawe. E hoʻopili mai o kou. He kupunakane o Keawe. Maikai. Okay. So that's the pattern, right? That's the equation in the sense that we're working with, right? We have our underlined section, and then who or what that underlined section is. So Liliha is a great grandparent. Yeah, Liliha is a great grandparent. He kupuna kuakahi o Liliha. E hoʻopili mai. He kupuna kuakahi o Liliha. Right. He kupuna kuakahi o Liliha. Alele ke kolu. Hi'iaka is a sister. Yeah, he aha keia maka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. What would this be in Hawaiian? Hi'iaka is a sister. He kaikuahine o hi'iaka. E hoʻopili mai. He kaikuahine o hi'iaka. Ai, he kaikuahine o hi'iaka. Me kai. Okay, hoʻomau kākou. Nalela, ka'iana is a son. Yeah. what would our ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi be? He ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. Alright. He keiki o ka iana. Ai ole, he keiki kane o ka iana. Yeah, because ma ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi, keiki by itself could be sun. Yeah. If we wanted to be very clear about it, we can throw in kane. Yeah, he keiki kane o ka iana. E hoʻopili mai. He keiki kane o ka iana. He keiki kane o ka iana. Mekai. Okay, aiwohi is a name. He ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. He inoa o aiwohi. E hoʻopili mai. He inoa o aiwohi. He inoa o aiwohi. Mekai. Yeah. O aiwohi. O aiwohi. Alaila, keia me hope. Haumea is a woman. Yeah. He ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. He wahine o haumea. E hoʻopili mai. He wahine o haumea. He wahine o haumea. Mekai. Okay, so those are our iʻoa, right? Our names, we can see ma ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi are marked with an okina o, yeah, in front of it. And whatever those things are, yeah, they are underlined, right? And they're marked at the beginning of the sentence with a he. Okay, so now we're going to have the same thing here, except instead of using iʻoa, marked by okina o, we're going to use memeʻa, marked by kaʻi. Okay, so my brother is an uncle. Right, so this mana'o of is an uncle is still in Hawaiian at the beginning of the sentence, marked by he. Right, so is an uncle, he anakala. Right, or who or what is an uncle? My brother. Yeah. Ko'u kaikunane. No laila. He anakala ko'u kaikunane. E ho'opili mai. He anakala ko'u kaikunane. He anakala ko'u kaikunane. Mekai. Okay. So same pattern, right? Same setup, except now instead of having okina o and a name, we have a ka'i and a memeʻa. So peha keia. His grandma is a sister. His grandma is a sister. Hea ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. Yeah, is a sister. He kaikuahine. And his grandma, kona kupuna wahine. He kaikuahine, kona kupuna wahine. E ho'opili mai. He kaikuahine, kona kupuna wahine. He kaikuahine, kona kupuna wahine. Mekai. Okay, your child is a girl. Your child is a girl. Yeah, so is a girl. He kaikomahine. Yeah. He kaikomahine kao keiki. He kaikomahine kao keiki. E ho'opili mai. He kaikomahine kao keiki. He kaikomahine kao keiki. Mekai. Okay. Now, my dad is a grandfather. Yeah. Is a grandfather. So hea ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. Alright. He kupuna kane ko'u makua kane. He kupuna kane ko'u makua kane. E ho'opili mai. He kupuna kane ko'u makua kane. Alright. Ko'u makua kane is kupuna kane. Okay, the adopted child is a girl. Okay, so is a girl he kaikumahine. Yeah, the adopted child kahanai. He kaikumahine kahanai. E ho'opili mai. He kaikumahine kahanai. Kai. Alelekeia, your grandchild is a mother. Your grandchild is a mother. So is a mother he makuahine. Yeah. He makuahine your grandchild. He makuahine kau mo'opuna. E ho'opili mai. He makuahine kau mo'opuna. Alright, and kau mo'opuna, right? Connection to a generation below, kinoa. And at the first sentence on this site, on this page, ko'u makuakane, right? A connection to a generation above, kino'o. Yeah, so your grandchild is a mother. He makuahine kau mo'opuna. Okay. Now, e ho'oma'ama'a kako mena papani. Right? And the ones that we know are au, oi, and ia, or oya. Okay, so you are a mother. Yeah. Are a mother. He makuahine. Who is the makuahine? Oi. Yeah. He makuahine oi. E ho'opili mai. He makuahine oi. Kai. Yeah, and so again, these papani, unlike the iʻoa and the memeʻa, they don't have anything marking it. Yeah? No okina o, no kai, except of course when our papani is ia, then that papani and that papani alone is marked by the okina o. Yeah? So he makuahine oi. You are a mother. Okay, now we have she is a grandchild. Yeah? Is a grandchild. He mo'opuna. Who is a mo'opuna? She. Oya. Yeah? He mo'opuna oya. E ho'opili mai. He mo'opuna oya. He mo'opuna oya. Okay. And then I am an older sibling. Asterisk, right? So this older sibling to the younger one, same gender. Yeah? I am an older sibling of the same gender. Anoleila, an older sibling, right? He kaikua ana. And who is a kaikua ana? I. Yeah? He kaikua ana au. He kaikua ana au. E ho'opili mai. He kaikua ana au. Ai, he kaikua ana au. I am an older sibling, yeah, to someone of the same gender. Okay, reverse it. Yeah, you are a younger sibling to someone of the same gender. So, are a younger sibling, he kaikaina, right? And who's the kaikaina? You, oi. He kaikaina oi. E ho'opili mai. He kaikaina oi. Okay. She is a mother. Is a mother. We saw this a couple times, yeah? He makuahine. He makuahine. And who is the makuahine? Who is a makuahine? Oya. He makuahine oya. E ho'opili mai. He makuahine oya. me kai. Au ka mea hope. I am a child. Am a child. He keiki. And who is a keiki? Oh. He keiki au. E ho'opili mai. He keiki au. I am a child. Me kai. Okay, no leila. Oia I hola ka haʻawina o keia pule. Keia mahele ho'olohe. Now, in your groups, you folks can go ahead and ho'oma'ama'a. Your kumu will go ahead and either partner you off or put you in small groups. And you folks can use the 2 sentence patterns now that we know to do a quick activity that will look something like this. Yeah, you can introduce yourself to your partner or group members. Yeah, like aloha, oau o kua mo'o. Yeah, or o kua mo'o ko'u inoa. Right? Either one, right? We learned that the past few weeks. And then we could tell our partner or our group members what we are. Yeah, maybe list off 3 to 5 things. For example, he keiki kane au. He kaikua ana au. He kaikaina au. He makua kane au. He kumu au. Yeah? So, to your partner, to your group, you could introduce yourself and even tell them a little bit about you. Yeah? So for me, I used the different positions I hold in my ʻohana, and then one thing, my occupation in a sense. Yeah? So you folks could do the same thing with your group. Yeah? Try to get 3 to 5 things that you are, yeah, in your list. Okay? After introducing yourself. Alayla, another thing that you folks can do in that same partnership or group is then choose someone. Yeah? So you can pull them up quickly on your phone if you want, and you could introduce them to the group. So as an example, I grab this picture and then I introduced this person to my group. Yeah, Aloha. O George Helm kona inoa. He kane oia. He pu'ukani oia. He aloha aina oia. He me'e oia. Okay, so again, if we don't know the vocab words, then amongst your group, you folks can kokua kekahi. But we get that George Helm is a kane, is a pu'ukani, is an aloha aina, and is a me'e, right? Even if I don't know the translation to those words. But kane, right, we already talked about, we know that from our list. Pu'ukani, a singer, yeah. Aloha aina, patriot, and me'e, a hero. Yeah. Okay, so in your groups, you folks can introduce yourself, tell your group a little bit about you, and then choose someone, anyone you want, introduce them, and tell them a couple of things about them using our Pepeke ʻaike he and Pepeke ʻaike o sentence patterns. Okay? A'oia, mahalo nui a ukoa pau, ka ho'omanawa nui ana mai, ke haʻawina o kākou, a hui ho aku kākou I ka wā kūpono. Aloha.